Rain, rain, go away, come back another day. Used to hear that when I was a kid. All right, so check this one out. Kia Sportage EX loaded, all-wheel drive, and the truck presents itself as brand new. No accidents on this vehicle. I don't believe any paint work. Definitely a non-smoker vehicle. Auxiliary line in, big alloys with brand new tires on it, tinted glass, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD, streaming, Bluetooth audio,
they're calling Europa, and this is the first
premium
from
sound,
that features Madison Beer on
auxiliary
vocals,
line in,
on
USB, switch off 4x4. Just a really nice truck all the way around. Going to apply for a guaranteed credit approval program, which allow you to get in a nice Sportage like this for $795 starting down. 3 months, 4,500 mile service contract over the complete drive line. That's included here at DAS2. Perfect Carfax, great reviews, guaranteed credit approval. What more can you ask for? Come on down, DasCleveland.com. We're stocking back up, and we're going to sell them quick. See ya.